Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe that the right tactics win the war. Okay? Extremely important. Extremely important. You know, if you ever played any kind of war game or any kind of like battleship game, you know that there are certain ways that you can respond to your opponent in order to actually, counter what they're trying to do and use it for your good and for yourself to win. It's the same thing in life and the same thing in business. That's why I believe that the right tactics win the war. Okay? Very important. So, for example, let's say that, life says, I'm going to cut off your Wi Fi today. Okay, cool. Well, I'm going to try and go to a different location and use their Wi Fi. Or I'm going to, turn on my cell phone cellular data. Okay, cool. Let's say that you chose the first option and you chose to go use Starbucks Wi Fi. Okay, cool. So let's say that Starbucks is closed down that day. You came after hours because you're working a little bit later than usual. Okay, cool. So now you have to go to the next one, you have to go to the next one. Maybe you just say, okay, maybe I won't even use Wi-Fi today. Maybe I'll just shoot videos instead so that I'll be able to, get this data and get this to be able to use. It allows us to constantly be able to, go around what life is trying to throw at us and allows us to use everything for our benefit so that we win. If you want to learn how to become more resourceful, if you want to learn step by step how to actually use what life throws at you to reach your goals, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. It's a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. It has everything you need to step by step start moving towards more of what you want. If that's what you're searching for, go check out that link in the description below. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.